Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Oops concept. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is literals. Literals are fixed values directly written in the code. They represent constant values that do not change during the execution of the program. Literals can be of various types such as integer, floating point, string, boolean and null. Literals in SOQL is a fixed expression representing a relative time range such as last month, this week or next year. Examples in Apex. So integer would be 10 minus 42, floating point 3.12 or minus 0.001, string like hello world, this exclamation symbol, boolean true or false, null having null value. Let's see an example. Public class my class, public void my method. So integer my int is holding the value 10, string my string holding the value hello world with exclamation symbol, boolean my boolean is holding the value true, system.debug is for printing. Here it is going to print my int, my string, my boolean. So 10, hello world and true are literals. Thank you.